Hey friends, welcome back to Meditate with Jamie. This week, Jamie's mom, that would be me, is going to read to you a super silly adventure to visit a volcano. But not just any volcano, a burping volcano. Now don't worry, it's not scary. This volcano doesn't shoot out lava. Nope. It lets out burps when it feels big feelings. Frustration, burp. Embarrassed, burp. Someone sat on your favorite toy, burp. So let's sit comfortably. Close your eyes if you want and take a deep breath in, like you're filling your belly with bubbles. And let it out like a gentle burp. Let's try again. Big breath in and burp it out just with your breath. Now imagine you're standing in front of the burping volcano. It's big, warm, and every time it lets out a burp, it's actually letting go of a big feeling. Let's try that too. Think of something that made you mad today, like when someone took the last cookie. Now take a big breath in and burp it out. Good job. Now think of something that made you feel nervous, like speaking out loud or trying something new. Let's breathe it in and burp it out with love. The volcano isn't bad for burping, it's just doing its best to feel better, just like you. Now say this in your mind or out loud. I can feel big feelings and let them go. Even when I'm burpy inside, I'm still awesome. I am calm, silly, and strong. Take one more deep breath in and let out your silliest, goofiest burp breath yet. Now wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. You just had a mindful moment, volcano style. See you next time on Meditate with Jamie. Keep burping those feelings out, superstar.